So first thing we're going to talk about is online data file move. This was added in 12.2, and it's a really convenient way to move, copy, or rename data files without having to take them offline. It's pretty simple. You just alter database, move data file. And in this case, we're just moving a data file from one directory to another. Well, why might you do that? Perhaps you're practicing kind of manual ILM or information lifecycle management, and you want to move a data file that's no longer being actively accessed off onto cheaper storage. You can also use this as a way to conveniently migrate into ASM. In this way, you don't have to use things like the ASMCP command. You can do this right from within the database interface in SQL+. And a little tip here, you can use this for your system table spaces as well, not for temp, but for system and sysocs. And that means that you can move those files into ASM as well, and then maybe recreate your temp files. You can also use this online data file move to generate an OMF name for your files. If you want Oracle managed files with that kind of alphabet soup of file identifier on the end of it, all you have to do is issue a command without a destination, and your file will get renamed using an OMF file name. Now notice here, in this case, we aren't giving it the file name that we want to move, we're giving it the file identifier. So that will help it auto-generate a name. So this works with data files that are in your current container, which is important if you're in a multi-tenant container database, whether you're a pluggable database or the CDB root. Whichever container is your current context, which is usually set by doing an alter session set container, only the files within that container can be moved at that time. So if you want to move files from multiple containers, then you'll find yourself having to navigate from one container to the next and move those data files. Now the data file is copied, which means it is a physical copy. We're not going to do things like set the high watermark or reclaim space like you would get by doing, say, a data pump export and import of that data file. So here's a little bit of a demo for you about how you, to show how you can access a data file while it's being moved. We'll start with a data file that's reasonably large, 1.5 gigabytes in size, and we're going to move that to another location, to another directory. In another session, we can then show you how you will access that data file by, first of all, finding, say, a table that's located within the data file, because data file is a physical construct, a table is your logical construct. We find that table and we can select from that, and we can find the values from that table, even while that data file is being copied. So it's fully online access to your data file while it's being copied. We can even do this while moving into ASM. We use our create file destination string as our ASM disk group, and then when we move our data file, it will get moved into ASM with that OMF file name. It's very convenient.